Hi everyone. Today we are gonna talk about what is user dictionary from collection module in Python. The user dictionary class is part of collection module and act as a wrapper around the built-in dictionary type. It is useful when you want to customize dictionary behavior without subclassing dictionary directly, which can sometimes lead to unexpected issues due to way dictionary is implemented in C language. Let me walk you through with a real world example. Imagine you are building a system to track user preferences. Okay, I am using PyCharm editor to understand user dictionary concept in Python. And I have a very simple program. We are trying to understand what is the meaning of customizing behavior using dictionary type as a base class. This is my preference class which is inheriting a dictionary type. And here we are using set item and then using super base function to set a new key and value to the object of this type. In the same way, we are using get item where we pass a key and then from this super method of my base class, we are getting the value by this key. When we create an object of this my preference class, we can set the key and its value like this. But when you print the value of any key from this dictionary, you will get the value simply dark. So this program works perfectly. There is no issue. Now suppose you want to maintain a history to track whenever a key is accessed, you want to log something. I want to put an statement key accessed. Okay. Now you run this program. So it will work as expected. But as long as you use the get method of this dictionary type, then you will get some problem. Then you will not get this message again. Because you remember when I said inheriting dictionary type in subclass leads to unexpected issues due to the way dictionary is implemented in C language. With some methods of base class, it works perfectly, but with some methods, it does not work as we are expecting. Okay? Likewise, we put a print statement when we are setting the value of any key. I have saved the program. You run it again, you will see theme set because we are setting a new value to a key. So inheriting this dictionary type into subclass is working fine with these two statements. There is no issue. As long as you use get method on this dictionary type object, that does not work as we are expecting. This is the problem. So this is the point where we need to use user dictionary over dictionary. Okay, I'm gonna import user dictionary from collection. Now if you run this program, you will get this message again because every method or attribute which is getting the value from this key will actually print this statement as well. If you use other method as well, let me add another key value pair, set default. I'm going to use font. My font would be 25 and I just use dictionary. Okay, run the program. We have just got this statement once while we are setting the key twice. You see, this is the first place and this is the second place. As per the rule, this statement should have printed twice. Set default method is also causing issues here along with get method. As soon as I put user dictionary, now you will get the statement for set default as well. In the program, we'll see that font set we have also got at the output window. So that is why user dictionary act as a wrapper around the built-in dictionary type and useful when you want to customize dictionary behavior without subclassing dictionary directly. So there are still more questions why to use user dictionary. So I will say dictionary is implemented in C and some methods bypass your overrides. Okay, that leads unexpected behavior. And when to use standard dictionary? If you do not need to override behavior and you want to maximize performance, so stick with dictionary, not to use user dictionary in that case. And for simple data storage or fast lookup, dictionary is always ideal. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned user dictionary from collection module, and you also learned which is better to take as base in subclass. If you want to watch other concept of collection module, watch my playlist on collection module. So hit a like button and give me the comment down below of this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.